In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your cold wallet. So to do this, step number 1 is to get your cold wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to send. So to do that, just open your hardware wallet app. For example, for Ledger, it's the Ledger Live app. And from there, just click on deposit or receive or something like that. And just select the cryptocurrency that you want to send from Robinhood. For example, if you have Solana, just select Solana and then copy your Solana deposit address. Step number 2 is to open up Robinhood and then just go to your crypto, or in your portfolio, go to the crypto section and find the same cryptocurrency that you copied your wallet address for, which for me was Solana. So I'll just take Solana right here. From there, scroll down a bit and click send. And then from there you will see this. Now just click enter manually in the bottom. And then here paste in the wallet address that you just copied from your cold wallet app. And then click continue. From there, choose how much you want to send. You can also click send all. After doing that, just click on continue again. And from there, they will ask you where this crypto is going. So if it's your cold wallet, just select to myself. If it's someone else's, select to someone else. And from there, all you need to do is just click submit. And after you submit it, you may need to authorize that it is you by entering a verification code. And after doing that, it will be on its way to your cold wallet. Now, I would recommend sending a small amount first, and if it arrives, then send the rest. But it should arrive if you follow these exact steps. And just copy the wallet address for the same cryptocurrency on the same network that you are sending from. So for example, if you are depositing Solana into your cold wallet, then you need your Solana wallet address on the Solana network. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your cold wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.